Students, today's topic is unit number 6 Nasiruddin. Today we will do book exercise from page number 60 to 63, class 9, subject English. Now coming to book exercise, so you have to do the exercise number 1A. Use the following words in sentences of your own. You have to find the synonyms of these words and use it into your sentences. This is your activity which you have to write down in your activity copy. Number B exercise is, what do you understand by the following terms from the lesson? Worthy of you means, worthy of you, this is a phrase which is used in your text. So what does it mean? It means precious or valuable. To get money, not advice, means need loan, not advice. Being swept along means get along the air. Experiences of day-to-day life means related to everyday life experiences. Now coming to exercise B, translate the following passage from English to Urdu. So all the text has been idiomatically translated and you have to write down idiomatic translation of this paragraph into your activity copy. Now coming to adjective. All the exercise is comprises of adjective. So first of all we will know about what is adjective. We will revise what is adjective. The adjective. A word which qualifies a noun is called an adjective. Examples: a blue bell. Bell, blue. Blue qualifies the noun. So it is adjective of that noun. 3 apples, it qualifies noun, so it is adjective. Now coming to the grammar activity, which is adjective. So what is adjective? Adjective qualifies noun or pronoun. Now coming to exercise, complete the following sentences using an adjective belonging to categories specified. So here are some kinds of adjective: adjective of quality, adjective of quality, adjective of color, adjective of size, adjective of shape. So we have to fill the blanks with these categories. We had to take a dash route to reach a destination. So we have to put adjective of quality which shows the quality. So we had to take a short route, short, S-H-O-R-T, short route to reach our destination. So short is adjective of quality. It is the quality of route. So it is termed as adjective of quality. We should be dash citizens. Adjective of quality. What is the quality of citizens? So we should be good citizens. So it is adjective of quality. He is wearing dash suit. He is wearing red suit. Adjective of color. So red suit is adjective of color. Burj Al Khalifa is the dash building in the world. Adjective of size. Burj Al Khalifa is tallest building in the world. So tallest is adjective of size for building. The earth is oval. Adjective of shape. So oval is adjective of shape. These are some kinds of adjective. We fill the categories according to the adjective kinds of adjective. Now coming to degrees of adjective. Our next exercise is comprised of degrees of adjective. So what is degrees of adjective? An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Example: Sarah is an innocent girl. So degrees of adjectives are positive degree. First degree is positive degree. When an adjective is in its simple form, it only shows the presence of some quality in a thing without saying how much of this quality it has. It is called positive degree of adjective. If there is only a use of adjective in a sentence, it is called positive degree. For example, Rashid is a tall boy. It is tall is an adjective, positive degree. What is comparative degree? As its name implies comparative. Comparative means comparison of two things. So When an adjective is used to compare the quality of two things, it is called the comparative degree. It shows a higher degree of quality than the positive degree. So, if there is comparison of two things, it is termed as comparative degree. Examples: Rahil is taller than Rashid. So, there are comparison of Rahil and Rashid regarding their height. So Rahil is taller than Rashid. Saba is more innocent than Sara. So this is comparative degree. The adjective used over here is comparative degree. Now coming to the third degree, which is superlative degree. Superlative means superior of all. Superlative means superior of all. The superlative degree. When an adjective is used to show the highest degree of the quality, it is called superlative degree. Examples: Raza is the tallest boy in the school. So in all the school, who is tallest? Raza. So it is superlative degree. Sadia is the most innocent of all. Sadia is most innocent of all. So it is superlative degree. It is highest degree of quality. So she is most innocent of all. The comparatives may be formed by adding er or ier. So there are the formation of degrees. To the positive, and the superlatives may be formed by adding est or iest to the positives. So here are positive degree, chart of positive degree, then comparatives, and then superlatives of it. So big. So we add er or ier to the comparative degree, so the word becomes bigger. So we have add er over here. And superlatives, when we add est or iest, biggest. So we have add est. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Old, older, oldest. So with comparative degree, we add er or ier according to the need of the word, and with superlatives degree, we add est or iest according to the need of the word. So here is a full chart. You can read it by yourself. So it shows it ends, mostly of the words ends on er or ier, and most of the words end on est or iest. Now coming to book exercise. Complete the following sentences using appropriate degree of adjective given in the brackets. So here are positive degree, and we have to apply appropriate degree. Which degree is required according to the sentence? There are three types of adjective degree: positive degree, comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. So starting with sentence number 1, he is dash than his neighbor. Then shows that there is comparison between two things, so it means it is comparative degree. He is dash than his neighbor. There is comparison of he and neighbors, so we will use second degree, which is comparative degree. Richer, rich, richer. We have add er to it, so it becomes comparative degree. Richer. The brides were much dash than the grooms. Again there is word then, and there is comparison of brides with grooms. So there is comparison of two things. So we will use comparative degree, which is made by adding er to the positive degree. So the word is younger, younger, younger. So the sentence will be the brides were much younger than the grooms. Third one, he is dash student of the class. Class, there is comparison of one person with the whole class. So it is the highest degree of quality. So it is superlative degree. Most intelligent. So we will add most intelligent. Those words which are not made, which give not any sense by adding est with the words, we add most or more or most as a prefix with it. So he is most intelligent student of the class. He is dash than I thought him to be. He is, again the word then shows that it is comparative degree. He is cleverer, cleverer, cleverer than I thought him to be. When the old woman became dash, she began to move about. When the old woman became stronger, she began to move about. Now coming to the proper order of adjective. What is the proper order of adjective? This chart will help us to make the proper order of adjective. What is the proper order of adjective? Look at this exercise. Complete the following sentences using proper order of adjective. He is wearing a dash shirt. There are combination of words. Dirty old flannel, flannel old dirty, old dirty flannel. So what is the proper order of adjective? So this chart will help us to make the proper order of adjective. So position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the position of the words. So order of adjective is, first of all, first position is opinion, second size, third age, fourth shape, fifth color, sixth material, seventh origin, eighth purpose. So I'll explain it with the help of few examples. What is opinion? If there is in sentence nice, horrible, opinion, it must be good or bad. So nice or horrible, it takes position number 1. Size, small or little, it takes position number 2. Age, old or new, it takes position number 3. Shape, square, round, it takes position number 4. Color, black, red or any color, it takes position number 5. Material, plastic, silk, it takes position number 6. Origin, from where it belongs. So Spanish, French, it shows us the origin. Origin, from where it belongs. It takes position number 7. Last position is taken by purpose, for which purpose a certain thing is used, racing or writing. Now coming to complete the following sentence using proper order of adjective. He was wearing a dash shirt, dirty old flannel. Pass me dash cups. So the correct answer is pass me big blue plastic. Color, big, size, color and plastic. Material. Big is size, blue is color and plastic is material. So if there is, we have to follow the order. There is no opinion, so there is, first of all, in sentence there is use of size, big. Then there is use of age, big, old, color, big blue plastic, big, then color, blue and then material, plastic. So big blue plastic. We have to follow the order. If there is not use of age, shape, we will skip it and we will use the correct order of the words which are used in the options. He sat behind a desk. He sat behind a big brown wooden, big. It is size, brown, color, wooden, it is material. I used to drive dash car, an old blue German, old, age, blue, old, age, blue, color, German, it is origin. So, an old blue German car. She gave him a dash was small black Egyptian, small size black color Egyptian origin. So you have to follow the table, so it will help you to make the proper order of adjective. Now coming to formation of adjectives. How adjectives are formed? Adjectives can be formed from nouns and verbs by adding these suffixes. What are suffixes? Which are added with after the word. Suffixes which are added after the words. So there are some suffixes: al, ous, y, ly, able, able, y, ed, ing, full, less, v, or ic. Use the word given in bracket at the end of these sentences to form a suitable adjective. Hamid writes in a simple and dash way. So understand, understand, it is a word. So we have to make it adjective by adding these letters with it. So as a suffix, what is suffix? Which comes at the end of the word, it is called suffix. When we add some letters at the end of the word, it is called suffix. So understandable, we will pick out the word able. So understandable. So we have formed adjective out of a verb. The party was much more dash than I had expected. Enjoy. So we will use able, enjoyable. I wish I had dash powers, magic. So we will use CAL. This is AL, magical. I wish I had magical powers. Maria came to me in a very dash state, emotion. So we will use AL. So this is emotional. My sister is dash to cats, allergic. We will use IC. So my sister is allergic to cats. Now coming to adjective phrase. What is adjective phrase? An adjective phrase serves the same purpose as an adjective. What is adjective? Adjective phrase serves the same purpose as an adjective. It means there are collection of few words which acts in a sentence as adjective does. That means it modifies a noun. Identify the adjective phrase in the following sentence. Have you ever seen an elephant with a white skin? So if we want to pick out the adjective, if we want to make a sentence in a simple adjective, so it would be like, have you ever seen an elephant? Have you ever seen a white elephant? So it would be, white elephant would be adjective. And what is adjective phrase? Collection of words. So have you ever seen an elephant with a white skin? So with a white skin, it is adjective phrase. The collection of words which functions as an adjective in a sentence is called adjective phrase. Second one is, he was wearing a crown made of gold. So made of gold is adjective phrase. There I met a girl with blue eyes. With blue eyes is adjective phrase. Wild beasts in small cages are a sorry sight. Wild beast. So small cages and sorry sight, these are adjective phrase. A man with a long beard came to see me. With a long beard, it is adjective phrase. So what is adjective phrase? A collection of words which functions as an adjective in a sentence is called adjective phrase. And what is adjective? Which modifies a noun. Now coming to exercise G. In each of the following sentences, replace the adjective in color adjective phrase of the same meaning. So we have to replace adjective with adjective phrase. It is a white elephant. White is adjective and we have to replace it with adjective phrase. It is an elephant with white skin. So with white skin we have added adjective phrase to it. He lived in a stone house. Stone is adjective and we have to replace it with adjective phrase. He lived in a house made of stones. Made of stones, it is adjective phrase. The king wore golden crown. Golden is adjective and the king wore a crown made of gold. Made of gold, it is adjective phrase. She wore a diamond necklace. Diamond is adjective. She wore a necklace of diamond. Necklace of diamond, or she wore a necklace made of diamond, it is adjective phrase. It was horrible night. It was night full of horror. Full of horror, it is adjective phrase. So today we learn adjective, its kinds and degree of adjective and formation of adjective. You have to revise adjective, its kinds, degrees of adjective. Thank you.